Assalamu alaikum everyone. Final চলে আসলাম আমাদের হাউসে. So what's up everyone? How are you today? So right now I live in Dhaka Keranigঞ্জ Kadamtole, my house. So look that my camera is front side is my brother's. Its name is Rayhania or Molla. Sorry, Rayhan Molla. Where name?
Hi,
And
how are you?
hey, how are you, brother? What's up name?
My name is Ryan.
Oh, good. Your country?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Why district? How district is doing?
My district is Borishal. This is a beautiful country.
Oh, good. Is really Bangladesh is good country or beautiful country because I live in Bangladesh. Is totally awesome because just in Barishal not it's a all district 30 40 64 all district is good and very sensitively one of this district is very good.
Thank you.
Oh, sure. So, what is it? House? It's a sketch. Is a almari. Is a watch. Is a kitchen or dictionary.
This is Amari is a very aluminum. I don't know. This is beautiful, but
You're wrong,
please,
is brother.
no, no. আপনি যদি আমাদের আলমারি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন টোকা মাল এটা কিছু হবে এটা একদম অ্যালুমিনিয়াম দ্বারা তৈরি করা
Sorry, guys. It's a local language. No problem. Just to mind it. So that is it's a phrase, and where is outside is Wi-Fi router, and my glass are and it's me. So look at my my face and my new phone, Honor X6C. It's a good phone because I think almost is good. 15K budgeted. So it's a how this
那我就是进入你，
Cheroni kawaii kawaii
但是要高一高。
kawaii. It's a light maybe torchlight. So guys, it's a Barishal language, local language is a torchlight. Where kawaii is a 2p maybe 2p na? Yeah. Okay, so let's my dinner to now and right now dinner my room is at another room. So let's go. Coming, bro. Hey.
Please leave me a video.
Okay. Okay, let us go and back to the zoom or camera. What is fantastic is look. So how did that's my camera looking.
These people, this river is very nice. This Asia art is very, very, very good.
Oh, how is the art? It's a wild is এখানে কি কি রয়েছে আমাকে kind of request করবা.
Actually, this is a river.
Yeah, it's a river. It's a Buriganga river.
No, yeah, sure.
Padma.
Okay.
Padma.
This Ilish fish.
Yeah, fish. Ilish fish.
Ilish fish.
It's a national crisis.
National tradition.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Nauka.
Nauka not. It's a board. Shipping board. Board. Okay, local language is Nauka. It's a house. It's a good house. Orange house.
Sure.
Orange color.
I think
Sun.
Sky.
It's a sun.
Sky down is sun.
Okay,
Nice.
but sky is loud. Is T or tray. How কিভাবে সম্ভব এই নদীর আকাশের উপর গাছ how T is this is possible.
এটা আমাদের আর কি একদিন আমাদের কৃত্রিম প্রযুক্তি দ্বারা আমরা কৃত্রিম বুদ্ধিটা আর কি এটাকে আমরা
Are you AI? Maybe are you AI? Artificial intelligent AI. Oh. Okay, good, fantastic, guys. So let's I'm ending to this video here. If you like this video, then like or share, please subscribe. Now, thank you for watching. So goodbye, good night, good till and take care, and bye. Assalamu alaikum.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম